Where's Riley?
Have you seen Riley? Where? Can you show me?
Will you show this little girl where Riley is?
Can you show me where Riley is? Can you show me where her room is?
Come show me. Come show her. She doesn't know where that is, Jonas. Where is she? Do you know who this is?
Yeah.
Who is she? Do you know her name?
Yeah.
No? Don't do anything. Do you know her name?
Yes.
What's her name?
I don't know.
You don't know? Should we call her Matilda? Can we call her Matilda? Maybe we can call her Witch Matilda, huh? Is she scary?
No.
Why do you not know who she is? I know who you are. Hey,
Yeah, you do.
I think you should expose.
What?
Show him.
Yes.
Okay, Jonas.
Is that Riley?
I saw that.
You did not know that
You think that was someone else, Mom?
Yes, you did. Hey, Jonas, look at
I
mommy.
even asked him
Jonas.
if he tried.